Hello everyone and welcome in this awesome Dying Like the Beast game. In this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to change the resolution, so stay with me and enjoy watching. As the first step, press the O button on your keyboard or move your mouse over here and open options. Now move to the audio video options and in here the fourth option will be a resolution. You can switch it here to any resolution you want to use. I have only full HD monitor, so I don't have 2K or 4K resolutions, but it's okay, this suits my expectations. So that would be all for this video. Hope you like it. Leave a comment and also subscribe to our YouTube channels. Goodbye!